In this video, traders, we're looking at investing versus speculation. What's the difference? Let's look at some examples. Stay tuned. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you, and investors, a very warm welcome to you. So investing versus speculation, they're pretty much the same thing, right? But I think there are some distinct differences between the two. How do we define investing? How do we define speculation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below on this one, guys. Okay, so investing, I think investing is productive projects. You know, it's something growth, it's expansion, like you're investing in a new factory, you're investing in new machinery, you're investing in a business startup, you're investing in marketing capital, you're doing something that is actually using the tool of money to put to work with a view of gaining more money back with that money being put to use. So, and this is exactly what I put in, money being put to work to gain a return, as opposed to speculation, which is more akin to gambling. You're like, hey, listen, I don't really care why the price is going to go up. I just want to buy at the low and sell high, or buy high and sell high. I guess we could say something like cryptocurrencies, very much speculation. A lot of people were into it for speculation. A few were investing in the idea of the technology, but more likely, if you wanted to get exposure to the crypto markets from an investing perspective, you would put your money in with a company that was perhaps developing some kind of wallet, some kind of blockchain idea or theory or product or service that then bolted into crypto. So there will be two distinct things. Some people were looking for speculation from the rise of the value of the cryptocurrency, others investing in the actual technology and the businesses that were behind the whole thing. So you can see the difference there. Sometimes speculation is shorter term. I've kind of put that there because really the term doesn't matter. The real thing is that people are just looking for money. Investing wise, you often don't know what your return is until it kind of gets crystallized, because if you're buying something that perhaps doesn't trade on an exchange, you're not just buying stock, you don't know what the value of that is until later, till you exit the business, until multiple years down the line. Generally, speculation, you're probably buying something that you can buy and sell relatively easily. I guess property, people do speculate on property and it's not instantly saleable, but it's relatively easy. Put it up for sale, you'll find a buyer, generally speaking. Or if you buy a stock, you can sell it whenever it goes up. So shorter term in terms of, hey, as long as it goes up in value, I don't care, I'm out of the trade, or out of the investment, or out of the speculation, should I say. And it's completely return focused. You don't really mind how it happens and what they're doing behind the scenes. You don't really care, hey, whether they're investing and they can kind of increase cash flow, or increasing company value, or adding value to the balance sheet, or any of that. All you care is what is the value of the asset you've bought, i.e. the share that you've bought. So those are two distinct differences, guys. And crypto is a good example. I guess property we could use as an example as well. Speculation, like, hey, I'm going to buy this block of flats because I think that this town, this city is going to really boom, and these flats and these apartments are going to be worth a lot more in value, as opposed to, let's say, buying a property that's perhaps run down. You're going to invest in materials, in labor, to improve the appearance of that property, to bring it up to standard, to landscape, to gut it all out, to develop it, that kind of stuff. And then you're going then to sell it and you're going to make money because of the investment you've put into it. Sure, there's some speculation there that property price will increase, and maybe you'll get a bit of a boost from the general property price increase, but the real kind of investment comes from, hey, I'm going to add value because I'm investing in a productive project of materials, of labor, and what have you. So crypto example, property example, we could use example as well with stock. You know, you might invest in a company that is IPO'd and they kind of want some money to put to good use with these kind of things, factories, research, drilling, if it happens to be an oil exploration company, mining, they just need working capital. You're investing in that company, expecting them to use that capital to put to good use and get a return on it, as opposed to perhaps speculation. You might trade the same exact thing or buy the same exact stock, but your theory is it's a double bottom on a daily chart, and I think it's going to go higher over the next 2 quarters. Two complete different approaches, buying the same asset at the same time, but with different views, different kind of goals, and different processes for making the decision of investing. So investing versus speculation, guys, very similar, of course. Some ambiguity there, not always a kind of definitive definition, if you like, for each of those, but close enough, and I think it defines the two pretty well. All right, guys, put your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.